Hey everyone, welcome back to my Java tutorial series. My name is Piyush Kumar and I am a software developer with experience in C, Python and now Java. In this series, we will start from the very basics of Java and gradually move to advanced concepts, including object-oriented programming, data structures and real-world projects. Whether you are a complete beginner or switching from another language, this series will help you master Java step by step. Java is one of the most popular programming languages used in web development, mobile apps, Android, backend systems, and game developments. It's known for its write once and run anywhere capability, used by top companies like Google, Amazon, and Netflix. Now we will see how to do the setup of Java. So first of all, we'll open our browser and we'll download the JDK. So right here, download Java JDK. So you will see the Oracle website. Okay, so you have to click on this link, Java downloads Oracle India. Now you will see, you will come to this site. Scroll down, you have to go to the Windows, Mac or whatever operating system you are using. I'm using Windows and you have to download this .exe. When you will download this, you have to go to the downloads. When you go to the downloads, you'll see the setup. You have to just install the setup. Okay, here you can see. When you will install it, okay, after installing it, you will find it in your location. So suppose I have installed it and it is in our program files Java and you can see JDK23. Then you have to go to the bin, you have to copy the path, okay, and close this window, then open the start, open write edit, then you will get edit the system environment variables. Open it. When you open it, you have to click on environment variables, then you have to double click on the path, then you have to click on new and you have to paste that path over here. Okay, then you have to do okay, and again last time okay. Now your path has been set. Now how you will run your file? For running your file, you can create a folder in your desktop. You have to open it, okay, and copy the path of that folder and then open cmd, means command prompt. In the command prompt, change the directory using the cd. Okay, so the directory has been changed. Now do what? Create a text file over here. So go to, give a right click, go to new and text document and write first dot remove.txt as .java. So you will get a notification if you change the file extension, the file might become unusable. Click on yes. Okay, first.java, and now you have to write your Java code. So Java has a class and inside the class all the things are done. So first of all you have to create the class. Now remember one thing, the class name would be same as the file name, okay, and always name the file with capital letter means the first letter will be in the capital. So now, and that name will be our class name. Okay, so first, class first, public static void main string args, and now you can simply write system.out.println hello world. Okay, so this is our simple program for printing hello world in Java. Okay, now you have to just save it, minimize this, again open the cmd, that location only, go write dir, check that file is there or not. So as you can see, first.java is in the same directory. Okay, now how you will run the file? So for running the file you have to write java c then the file name first dot java. Okay, now make sure that you're writing javac, the file name, then the extension also. Okay, so .java, then you'll press enter. Now again you have to write java and then only the file name. Okay, this time you don't need to write the extension, java first. So now this file has been compiled. When you write javac, so javac is the compiler of java, so it will compile that file, and now the file has been compiled. So now when you write java first, so hello world will be printed. Okay, it means that your file has been executed and you got your output. Okay, so this is how you can execute a java file and print hello world. Now remember that we haven't used any editor. Okay, so in the next video we'll see that how to install editor, and we are going to use IntelliJ. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the